Can you hear me now? Good. Hey y'all, it's your boy Smitty. I'm back on another video here. Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Smitty. You've wound up on my channel somehow. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's that button right down there in the corner. It's a big red one. You can't miss it. And there's a thumbs up one right next to it. Hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Share it with your friends. Leave me a comment. I do read the comments. So, hey, we're starting to build Scarlets 4L60e. And I'm getting ready to go through the Valvebody here first. I still got to take everything and get it cleaned up and get my parts here, but I can go through the Valvebody and see what needs to be done. It needs to be cleaned up anyway. Let me show you why. This thing, I don't know if somebody was in the process of building it and halfway they quit, but it had some old transgel or grease holding the check balls in. Kind of strange. It's like they quit right in the middle of it. But anyway, I need to check all the valves out and make sure they all work. So I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this. These are your shift solenoids right here. Looks like it goes the other way. Well, I can't get behind it to move that one. Let's try the other one here. I can't get any of them to move so far. That's no bueno. Hey, that one moves. Moves nice and free. That should be your manual valve there. Oh, it was frozen there. Get that dude to come out of there. Wow, super gummy. Wow, look at the varnish on that dude. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. Man, that has got some varnish on that dude. Wonder how long this thing's been sitting. Alright, well, let's just start with getting the Ford accumulator loose. Which is right here. Wow. Get the big dog out. See what we got here. Hey, this has got a metal piston in it. That's pretty rare. Usually they're plastic. I always like to make sure to put the springs the way they came out. Come on out of there. Yeah, wow. Pin's not bad shape either. I'm really surprised that's aluminum. Of course, nonetheless, we'll go back. I'm going to do a sonnax power pack on this, which has got a pinless servo. So, alright, let's flip this dude over. What you notice is you've just got your 3-2 downshift. Now on this year, this is a PWM solenoid. When they went to, and if you notice in this hole, you can't see a dang thing. Let me find my light. If you look in that hole, damn it. Try this one more time. If you look in the hole, there's nothing there. They didn't make it so that solenoid's there for the torque converter. But this solenoid here is a PWM. Now when they went to the PWM TCC solenoid, which is pulse width modulated torque converter clutch, then this but for this particular year, it's actually a PWM solenoid. So, we get here on the top side, and I think I need to widen you out just a little bit more. Alright, so we're going to get all our solenoids out. So there's a little clip right here. Those O-rings have seen better days. They're a little stiff. The weight of this solenoid is quite a bit heavier too, because this is an all metal solenoid. Your shift solenoid. Being as the age of this thing, y'all, we're going to replace all these solenoids. Because I have no idea if they even work. And there's much varnish as I've seen inside this thing so far. I think it's going to be cheap insurance for us to go ahead and just replace them. Just a little bit of debris in that screen, which again you may not be able to see it, but just a little bit in there. Not bad. Again, we're going to replace it anyway, so all right. Okay, these caps have all got those same kind of clip in it, so pop your cap out, or your clip out. And then you can slide your end cap out. All right, I'm going to come to back to that valve because it doesn't want to go anywhere. And I can't find any place to push on it, so we'll start with the next. Man, these things are varnished in here. Well, that one decided to come right out. Sweet! Well, let's go back and work on this one just a minute and see if we can get this thing to go anywhere. It would probably fall out if I could get this plug out of here. Next, let's go to this one here. See if we can get this out of here. And again, that valve, or that cap is varnished in there. Oh, there it went. Yeah, be kind of leery of that, y'all. If you get one to break loose like that, it'll go shooting parts everywhere. There we go. Yeah, all these valves so far got junk on them. Okay, this one's got a clip up here, because this is where your 3-2 downshift solenoid is. And see how I had my finger on it? That thing had some serious spring pressure behind it. That way it didn't go shooting out somewhere. That one actually had a dual spring on it. Why, I don't know, but it did. Let's try this valve one more time. What I'm doing is I'm working this valve back and forth in here to try to loosen it up enough to where maybe it'll come out. Not having much luck there. Well, might have some luck on this side. That one may just have to come out in the parts wash tank. Get it hot enough, maybe it'll loosen everything up. Okay, we're going to flip to the other side. On your pressure control solenoid here, you have a clip right here. Again, see, I had my finger over that because that's got some serious pressure behind it. This is a valve that will probably get modified. There's that valve. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Alright, this one here's got a roll pin in it, so you have to knock that roll pin out. And it is a blind hole. Which means that roll pin has to come out this way. Yeah, if you look down in there, again, where's my light? You'll see a spot where you can get a screwdriver behind that roll pin. Get your light on this side, maybe. There you can see it. That roll pin right there. You got to get behind there and push that roll pin out. Just like that. And that whole shooting match should come out of there. Ah, there we go. And that valve should come out of there. Yeah, it does. It's just a little stuck. This one will probably get modified too, my guess. should be a spring in there too. There it is, a little spring. All right, what we got here? Nothing holding this shift valve in, so it should come out, unless it's stuck. I didn't know I could make this long of a video on a valve body, but apparently I am. All right, we're going to work on the other shift valve. Wow. That's bad. That dude was gummed in there. And looks like we got one more right here. And it looks like it's a roll pin style, but it's not blind. In other words, it's got access to it right there. Remember, stick your finger over the hole. Just like that. All right, so that should be all of our valves except for the one that we can't get out of the other side. And it's just proven to be, oh, we got another one in there I missed. It's right here. It's another one, and then the hole is not blind. And that went under right here, so that was right there. And y'all, if you get the valves mixed up or you drop them or something like that, there's resources out there you can get the diagrams for them, and it's nothing to really panic about, as long as you don't have stuff flying everywhere and you're missing pieces. There should be a valve in there, I do believe. There it is. All right, let's try this dude one more time here. Man, that one just does not want to come out of there. Well, this is the last resort, but we're going to try something, y'all. Let's see if we can't heat this up a little bit and see what happens. Man, that dude just does not want to come out of there. And I think I seen where I missed another valve. Oh, that's right. That's that one I couldn't get out a minute ago. So let's try to see if we can get it anywhere with it now. I think it was stuck in there. That's the only thing bad about working on valve bodies, guys. If it's been varnished for a while or been sitting for a while, this is what happens. And it just gets so gummed up. There we go. All right. Well, that valve will just have to come out in the parts washer. Because it sure as heck ain't coming out now, but anyway. Alright, so we've got all of them out. All except for that one right there. It's being stubborn. Hopefully the heat and will loosen it enough in the parts washer that it will come out of there, because our parts washer is really hot. So anyway, y'all, that's gonna be it for this one. So I hope you like what you see. Finally getting to make some progress on working on Scarlet. I'm just tickled, at least getting some drivetrain stuff going. So if you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there in the corner. Smash the like button that's right beside it. And with that being said, take care of yourself, take care of each other. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.